It did it within minutes, because I know I wasn't gone but a second or two.
As she came close to the door, I did see the flame it just raised up.
It only takes seconds for this to become a massive fireball. Unattended cooking is the leading factor in these types of fires, but even a watched pot can boil over if something like grease gets too hot. A stove fire destroyed Joe and Julia Ankram's kitchen in 2009. And once the flames start, they can explode into a fireball.
It kept flaming up very high, and as I kept walking out and he had the door open, I said, I can't. And I took it and I flipped it with the water, and it went up all the way up to the ceiling.
You don't want to move a pan that's on fire, and you especially don't want to put water on it.
Julia escaped without a scratch, but flames hit the drapes. In the end, the damage totaled $200,000. To demonstrate just how dangerous a cooking fire can be, we enlisted the help of the fire department in a test kitchen at the fire training center. Firefighters set a pan of grease on the stove and heated it up. Within 8 minutes, we had our fire. This is where so many homeowners make another mistake, trying to move a burning pot to the sink and pouring water on the flames.
3, 2, 1, go.
Watch as an unbelievable fireball erupts from the pot. It roars up the ceiling and then all the way across to the other end of the room. Water proving to be the absolute worst thing you can throw on a cooking fire.
Well, it instantly turns to steam. So what you end up with is something like an explosion.
So what should you do? Our experts say, first of all, never move the fire.
Well, you run the risk of dropping it. Fire likes air. When you move a pan, you give that fire more air. It can come back at you.
In most cases, a fire can be extinguished by using a lid.
You're just going to take your lid, touch the edge of the pan, slide the lid across, and then turn off the heat. It's important that you do turn off the heat.
And never lift that lid until the pan cools. Fresh air allows the flames to reignite. Another option:
you can use a simple cookie sheet. As long as it covers the circumference of the pan, just do the same thing you did as the lid. Just slide that cookie sheet right across the top and then turn off the heat. Call the fire department.
For even added safety, fire experts recommend installing these stovetop fire stops. These tiny cans cover 2 burners apiece and hang magnetically from your hood vent. As the flames jump, they ignite the tiny red fuse. The can pops open, dropping a powdered chemical to snuff out the fire.
It's just like a mini fire extinguisher, only it works by itself.
The Ankrams now have stovetop fire stops installed over their stove.
This would have prevented the fire having new things like this.
And these days, Julia plays it safe.
I have a cookie sheet right here, ready to smother the fire out.
Dina Silk, 2 News works for you.